this video, I'm going to share this DIY carrot night cream for skin whitening and also for super glowy skin. So let's see how to make it. First we need half carrot. Since carrot is loaded with vitamins, it will help in rejuvenating your skin and give that natural golden glow. It's a perfect everyday anti-wrinkle cream and will also help in hydrating your skin, which will give you healthy skin. And along with carrot, we need half cucumber. Cucumber works in making the skin tone better with its extensive clearing technique. And also we need 3 soaked almonds. As almonds are rich in vitamin E, it will help in reducing the signs of aging. Now just grate the carrot and cucumber with its skin on. Now add both the ingredients with the soaked almonds in a mixer grinder. Grind it nicely without adding any water, and this is the pulp. You can use it as it is or put it in the strainer and press it with the spoon to remove its juice. And this is the juice. Now to this juice, you can add 1 vitamin E oil if you have dry skin, and if you have oily skin, then skip vitamin E oil and add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. I have added aloe vera to help with acne and to repair the skin. You can store this cream in refrigerator for 15 days. Now mix this all very nicely, and this is the cream. If you feel it's very liquid, then you can add this leftover mixture to your cream and make it little thick. Now this is the cream. You can apply this cream to your face daily before sleeping in the same way as you apply any moisturizer, and keep it overnight. You can store this cream in refrigerator for 15 days, so make accordingly. This will help to remove all dark spots from face, help your skin glow, will brighten your skin and will also fight those wrinkles. Anyone who is 18 plus, men or women, can use this cream. So share this with everyone and help them get the benefits too. And now guys, do like and subscribe to my channel for more such DIYs. Thank you and see you next week with another new DIY. Till then, bye and take care.